Welcome YouTube. In this video, we're gonna make a hip hop and reggae track using the Sound Clash Maschine expansion. This is my current commentary on a beat that I made. Enjoy the process. So right now I'm just laying down the drums. I've laid down the drums, trying to get the quantizing right. So now we're gonna add another group. That's the yellow right there. Started recording by accident. Then I had to undo that. Now we're working on the hi-hats. Adjusting my levels. Seems like it was gonna be too loud, overpowering the kick and the snare. We're ready to go. Yeah, so in this part I actually grabbed a one-shot guitar sound, guitar chord, and I switched to keyboard mode. And I found the notes that I needed. Now we're ready to go. Yeah, so I'm just using just one expansion. I never switched to any other sounds. It's all the same expansion, same bank. So now we're searching for other things to add. So we got a one-shot bass note right there. Then I switched to the keyboard. So I'm just finding a groove. How should I go about playing it? Now we're recording. I'm doing my editing right now, moving things around. idea for a melody. Actually, not a melody, but some chords. Okay, so I got my idea. I'm catching the groove. Okay, so now we're ready to record. Let's go. So I found the next thing that I had to do, which was add a crash cymbal, a nice reggae drum kit sound. So I had to turn it down, to not let it overpower with volume. All I needed was that one. The funny thing is that I forgot that my metronome was still on. But I had it at a nice little volume, so it wasn't that noticeable. So I'm pretty much finished with the beat, so I was just playing around with the muting, the choke muting, choke in and out. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this process of making this beat. Stem the real beats. Like, comment, and subscribe. We out, YouTube. Thanks for watching.